Welcome to this lesson on ordinal numbers. In this video, we will learn ordinal numbers from 11th through 31st. Ordinal numbers are used to show position or order, like first, second, third, and so on. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to count using ordinal numbers up to 31st. Let us start with numbers 11 through 15. The 11th is number 11. The 12th is number 12. The 13th is number 13. The 14th is number 14. The 15th is number 15. Notice that these numbers have special endings. We add the letters th to make them ordinal numbers. Practice saying these numbers aloud with me. Now let us learn 16 through 20. The 16th is number 16. The 17th is number 17. The 18th is number 18. The 19th is number 19. The 20th is number 20. These numbers also end with th. The 20th is special because we drop the e from 20 before adding t. These are very common numbers used in daily life. Next, we have 21st through 25th. The 21st is number 21. The 22nd is number 22. The 23rd is number 23. The 24th is number 24. The 25th is number 25. For compound numbers, we use a hyphen between 20 and the number. Only the last part becomes ordinal. The first part, 20, stays the same. Finally, we learn 26th through 31st. The 26th is number 26. The 27th is number 27. The 28th is number 28. The 29th is number 29. The 30th is number 30. The 31st is number 31. These follow the same pattern as before. Remember to use the hyphen when writing compound numbers, and only the last number becomes ordinal. Let us review the important patterns to remember. Compound numbers like 21 use a hyphen between the parts. Some ordinal numbers have special spelling. For example, 5th, 12th, and 20th have unique forms that are different from their cardinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are commonly used for dates, rankings, anniversaries, building floors, and describing position in a sequence. Practice using these numbers when you describe order or position. The more you use them, the more natural they will become.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.